Hello everyone. My name is Om Jaiswal from Aurangabad, Shivajinagar, and I have done my masters in international business from London University. And I was always deeply interested in digital marketing, and I always wanted to make a strong career in it. So that is the reason I have joined Victorious Digital, and I must say I have made one of the best decisions of my life. Our teacher Atul Sharma sir have more than 10 years of experience in digital marketing, and the way he teaches us in very simple and very clear way, he always makes sure that students have understood the concept very clearly. And his teaching skills are really good, and he's excellent in it. There are few points I like to mention in this, that in the class, uh, they just don't teach us the theoretical part. They also teach us the practical part also. Like every week there is a presentation in the class. Like the what you have learned in the whole week, you will present it in the on the Friday, and it helps you to boost the confidence in it. And there's always a group discussion in the class where you can gain communication skills and a problem ability skills in that. There's a one main thing I like to highlight in all of this, that Victorious Digital Coaching Institute offers you 100% placement, which is like a big plus point in today's world where in the market there is a job issues in every industry, but digital marketing is growing on and it's booming in current time. And Victoria Digital offer you 100% placement, and they'll help you from the core, from the scratch. They'll help you to prepare for interviews also, which is the best part. And this course is available in a very reasonable price for every student, and especially for the student who want to make a career in this, and, they can easily get into it. And you guys should come and join the Victoria Digital in Pune.